Hello everyone, my name is Manvi Sinha and I study in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. My subject name is Introduction to Python Programming and its code is BPLCK205B. My USN is 1VE23IS028 and my today's topic is web scraping, in which we will discuss some important points. Welcome everyone. Today we are diving into the world of web scraping, a fascinating technique for extracting data from websites. Let's explore why it is so important and how Python plays a crucial role in making it happen. Web scraping is the automated process of extracting data from websites. It involves fetching web pages, parsing their HTML or XML structure, and then extracting relevant information for analysis or storage. Web scraping can be used to gather a wide range of data, including product prices, weather forecasts, news articles, and more. So, why Python for web scraping? Well, imagine trying to scrap data from website using C or Java. It is possible, but Python's simplicity and readability make the task much more manageable. Let's break it down. In comparison to C and Java, Python offers greater ease of use due to its simple and concise syntax, which requires fewer lines of code to accomplish tasks. Python's readability is also superior as its syntax closely resembles natural language, making it easier for developers to understand and maintain code. Additionally, Python's flexibility shines through its dynamic typing and high-level abstractions, allowing for quick prototyping and adapting to changing requirements with ease. Overall, Python tends to be more beginner-friendly and adaptable for a wide range of tasks compared to C and Java. Now, let's talk about benefits of using Python. First, its versatility is unmatched. Python isn't just for web scraping, it is a Swiss Army knife for various tasks. Plus, its concise syntax speeds up development, allowing us to prototype and iterate quickly. And don't forget about those extensive libraries, the beautiful scope and Scrapy, making web scraping a breeze. Now we will discuss about Python data structures used. First, list, storing scrap data in a structured format. Second, dictionaries, organizing data with key value pairs. Third, sets, handling unique elements useful for data deduplication. Special features of Python in web scraping. First, dynamic typing facilitates rapid development and iteration. Second, extensive libraries offers modules for various tasks, reducing the need for external dependencies. Third, community support, access to a vast ecosystem of tools and resources for solving web scraping challenges. Alright, let's put theory into practice. Here is a simple Python script that scraps data from a sample website. We are extracting article titles, but the possibilities are endless. Let's run it and see the magic happen. We start by importing the request library to send HTTP request and the beautiful soup class from the BS4 module of HTML parsing. Then we specify the URL of the website we want to scrap. We send a GET request to the URL using requests.get and store the response. If the request is successful, status code 200, we parse the HTML content of the web page using Beautiful Soap. We use Beautiful Soap method to extract specific data from the web page. In this example, we find all the H2 elements with the class article title, which presumably contains the titles of articles on the web page. Finally, we print the extracted article titles. And there you have it. Python proves its worth once again as the go-to language for web scraping. Its simplicity, versatility, and rich ecosystem of libraries make it a developer's best friend in the world of data extraction. In conclusion, Python emerges as a powerful and versatile tool for web scraping, offering numerous advantages over alternatives like C and Java. Its simplicity, readability, and flexibility make it an ideal choice for rapidly developing web scraping applications. Python's extensive libraries, such as Beautiful Soup and Scrapy, streamline the scraping process, enabling developers to extract data efficiently from websites. With Python, users can harness the full potential of web scraping to gather valuable insights, monitor trends, and make informed decisions. Thank you for joining me today and happy scrapping.